Do people know anything about the Shia faith? All you haters in the chats out there? Do you know jack squat about it? Do you know what the Battle of Karbala is? 10 October, I think, 688, something like that. Do you know who Hussein is? You know, Hussein, leading the faithful in the Battle of Karbala, was martyred at the hands of, the unbelievers. Do you know who Ali is? Do you know the significance of the last posting on Ali Khamenei's X account, where they invoke Ali? You just made a martyr of one of the most important religious figures in the Shia faith, second only to Sistani out of Najaf, the Twelver. Do you guys even know what Twelvers are? If I say Twelver, the ignorant people out there promoting this conflict, do you even know what I'm talking about? If you don't, that's why we lost. You don't know about it. Donald Trump doesn't know about it. Pete Hegseth certainly doesn't know about it. And anybody who planned this attack doesn't know about it. Donald Trump lost the war on day one, the first 6 bombs that fell on Iran. He lost the war, which means there will be regime change in the United States before there's regime change in Iran. Donald Trump's cult of personality will not survive the midterm elections. The Iranians will not buckle. There will be no popular uprising in Iran to overthrow the regime. Ali Khamenei is a martyr now, a martyr. A martyr that in the eyes of the Shia faithful is the equal to Ali. That's why the last posting on his X account invoked Ali, a symbol of defiance. And so the Shia faithful will rally around. People keep saying, why did he stay in his residence knowing what was going to happen? Why did Hussein lead the charge against the unfaithful in the Battle of Karbala? Because he chose martyrdom. He chose martyrdom as a way of exposing the lack of Islamic adherence on the part of the Umayyad caliphs. Ali Khamenei chose martyrdom. We gave it to him because we are truly the stupidest people on the planet.